guys, I'm here at Orchard Road, and this Orchard Road have a lot of shopping for you to use, and shopping malls, and there are a lot of foods, and this is really a beautiful, amazing Orchard Road, and it's always fully crowded, especially at the weekend. Yeah, as you can see here in the background, a pack. This is Orchard Road, Singapore. They call it Orchard is the heart of Singapore. Hilton Hotel. Mandarin Gallery. There's an Apple showroom. And this is one of the famous shopping mall in Singapore, Takashimaya Shopping Center. Orchard Road is always fully packed. There are a lot of tourists, locals, foreigners, those who are working here. They love to spend the time at Orchard Road. As you can see here, a lot of people. That's why Singapore is a multi-racial country, where you can see people from different countries. Oh, ice cream. Oh. Yeah, that's nice.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
Watching stars, I could only keep out until we got a thought.
This is something captivating me. So guys, as you see here, Orchard Road, I walked the way all through, and also in this video you will find somehow the short clips of great TikTokers. There are a lot of TikTokers making their videos, their reels to post in TikToks. So I call them TikTokers. I don't know where they're going to post there at their own social medias. But I also share there are some clips that I took from those, especially these dancers. They are doing very good job. That's a Visma Atria. Oh, no wonder they call it heart of Singapore. A lot of people sitting at the stairs, spending their quality time together with their friends, family. It's a fun. Nice, actually people are just spending, eating, enjoying their time. It's Japan. So this is another shopping mall here. And most of them, they are from Philippines. This is another shopping mall, Ion Orchard. Oh, this is a place where shooting, spending time. Great. Everywhere you can see TikTokers. Everywhere. That's a show theater, show house. And I love to watch movies at show theater.